Welcome to the fascinating world of material science. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to discover the foundation of our modern world. Material science is the study of the properties and applications of materials that form the building blocks of everything around us. It merges physics, chemistry, and engineering to unlock how materials behave and can advance technology. Think about the smartphone in your hand, the car you drive, or the clothes you wear. All these are products of innovations in materials science. We'll delve into why materials are crucial in shaping our daily lives. In this video, we will explore historical breakthroughs, analyze fundamental properties, and look ahead to future advancements. From metals that built our cities to cutting-edge nanomaterials shaping tomorrow, there's a lot to uncover. As we move forward, you'll see the intricate world of materials revealed layer by layer, and giving you a new appreciation for this dynamic field. So, let's begin our journey into materials science. Materials science is rooted in the very dawn of human civilization. From the Stone Age, where our ancestors used stones and bones, to the Iron Age, which revolutionized tools and weapons, materials have been at the heart of human progress. Key milestones, such as the discovery of bronze and the development of steel, paved the way for modern advancements. The Industrial Revolution introduced new manufacturing processes, leading to mass production of materials. The 20th century saw the birth of polymers and the advent of silicon, the backbone of the digital age. As our understanding deepened, materials science transitioned from crafting simple tools to engineering complex materials with specific properties. Today, materials science touches every aspect of our lives, from skyscrapers to microchips. Studying the history of materials gives us a deeper appreciation for the scientific endeavors that have shaped our world. Let's continue our journey to explore key advancements that paved the way for today's innovations. In materials science, pivotal discoveries have etched their mark on history. The advent of metals allowed early civilizations to leap forward, crafting tools and structures, transforming their lives. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we see the rise of polymers, engineered materials innovating everything from packaging to electronics. Today, nanomaterials are at the forefront with their potential to revolutionize medicine, electronics, and beyond. Each discovery broadened our understanding and opened new possibilities for future exploration. It's crucial to appreciate how these milestones shaped modern materials science, setting the stage for the next wave of breakthroughs. Let's delve deeper into these monumental leaps and uncover how they forged the path toward an exciting future in materials science. Materials are defined by their properties, from the smallest particle to the largest structure. Let's delve into the mechanical properties like strength, elasticity, and hardness, which dictate how materials behave under various forces, impacting everything from construction to everyday objects. Next, we explore thermal properties, dictating how materials respond to temperature changes and their use in environments from kitchens to space exploration. Conductivity, expansion, and heat resistance define a material's suitability for specific applications. Finally, we turn to electrical properties crucial in our technologically driven world. Conductivity and insulation influence the development of electronics, power systems, and more. Understanding these properties enlightens us about materials we use and drives innovation across industries. You'll see how these properties translate into remarkable applications impacting our daily lives. Metals are the unsung heroes of modern life. In construction, they provide the skeleton for our towering skyscrapers and sprawling bridges. Imagine a world without the resilience of steel and other metals. Our cities wouldn't stand. In electronics, metals are the conductors that bring life to our devices, from smartphone chips to vast networks. In transportation, metals are integral, whether in aircraft aluminum reducing weight and fuel consumption, or sturdy automotive frames ensuring safety. Metals don't just anchor the present, they pave the future. Next, you'll see how polymers offer their own unique contributions across industries, demonstrating the versatility of materials in our world. Polymers are incredibly versatile and have permeated every aspect of our lives. In packaging, they offer flexibility and durability, protecting and extending product shelf life. In the medical field, Polymers revolutionize devices from disposable gloves to life-saving implants, enhancing safety and efficiency. Textiles benefit from polymers, allowing for innovative fabric technology, resulting in more durable, comfortable, and high-performing clothing. These diverse applications underscore the significance of polymers in modern industry and daily life. Next, you'll see how ceramics play a specialized role in various fields. Ceramics hold incredible potential across specialized fields. In aerospace, they create lightweight, heat-resistant components, enabling higher performance and safety. In biomedicine, ceramics offer biocompatibility and durability, making them vital for implants and prosthetics, enhancing patients' quality of life. In electronics, ceramics are essential for advanced insulators and capacitors, ensuring better performance and miniaturization of devices. Due to their unique properties, ceramics are indispensable materials pushing innovation boundaries in these industries. As we move forward, you'll see how modern innovations in materials science are expanding its applications. Modern innovations in materials science are reshaping our world. Among the most groundbreaking are smart materials, which change properties in response to external stimuli, offering once fictional possibilities. Nanotechnology takes this further by manipulating matter on an atomic scale, revolutionizing industries from medicine to electronics. Biomaterials, compatible with living tissue, make significant strides in healthcare, developing implants, prosthetics, and bioengineered organs. As we push boundaries, the potential applications seem limitless, setting the stage for a future where the impossible becomes possible. Let's delve deeper into how these innovations will shape our daily lives and the future of our planet. The future of materials science is an open frontier, buzzing with promise and potential. Emerging trends are setting the stage for groundbreaking advancements that transcend our current imagination. Picture new materials that heal themselves, adapt to environments, or revolutionize energy storage. Breakthroughs in smart materials and nanotechnology are on the horizon, potentially redefining industries from healthcare to climate change solutions. As we look ahead, the societal impact of these developments will be profound. Scientists and engineers tirelessly work to turn these possibilities into reality, shaping a more resilient and advanced world. As we close this chapter on future prospects in materials science, remember, the journey doesn't end here. Stay curious, inspired, and tuned. The world of materials science is just beginning to unveil its wonders. As we conclude our journey through materials science, let's reflect on what we've learned. From historical development to groundbreaking discoveries, we've seen how materials shape our world. We've explored fundamental properties defining each material and their diverse applications in various industries. We also witnessed cutting-edge innovations like smart materials and nanotechnology that redefine possibilities. But our journey doesn't have to end here. Materials science constantly evolves, with new discoveries and innovations waiting to be explored. We encourage you to dive deeper, stay curious, and continue learning about the potential of materials science. Join the conversation, engage with the community, and explore numerous resources to further your understanding. Thank you for joining us. If you're as fascinated as we are, like, share, and subscribe for more insights into materials science. Together, let's push the boundaries and discover materials shaping our future.